Welcome to Tech Links. From this to these. Newsflash! Machines start to think. Let's look at the origins of self-acting machines called automata to better understand the present and future of AI. Here is the true story of automata to AI in 7 links. We start with clocks and counts. 1. Faith. In the past, there are machines at places where people pray. Like magic, this machine self-opens Greek temple doors. Later, medieval machines like these self-ringing bell clocks tell people when to start and stop work. Complex clocks with moving automata are the pride of cities of the Middle Ages. Gears and a secret component drives the automata of showy city clocks. The secret to self-moving machines are round-teethed gears and squish circle-shaped cams. Amazing! Here are more examples of more Middle Ages automata. Next, the cam idea controls church bells. The pegs program which bells will play when. 2. Fun. Smart people make machines that play and entertain. Imagine all the mechanical controls needed, so machines like this can make music. Clever animal automatons like this duck eat and even pretend to poop. Wow! This automata writes by itself. Notice the old style pen. The user can program which letters the machines will write. This player piano uses cam-like tabs to control the keys. Self-acting machines can do more than just play. 3. Factory. At first, people make machines for power. Next, machines are strong and smart enough to do repeating work. Here are other examples. Later, people design machines to pick and place parts to make electronics. With computers, people control machines like robots to precision weld car frames. Today, robots put products together too. Robots also move objects all around. Robot-like drones can even fly. They can deliver what we buy straight to our homes. Cobots and cyber people systems are all about humans and robots working together. 4. Form. There is something within our creative souls that drives humans to design robots that look like and act like us. Robot hands and arms are more reliable than human muscle-based movements. Our robots mimic human muscles. Some robots can even walk and run. People make robots with sensors that are like human senses. Robots have chips for brains and software for minds. In the past, people write step-by-step software to control each separate robot action. Today, machine learning software enables machines to self-teach. Machines make self-decisions based on deluges of info data. Also, there is something called deep learning. This is where machines learn based on the model of the interlinked human brain. 5. Films. The word robot means hard work or self-labor. It comes from this play. In this early film, greedy humans and grim robots cause trouble. The theme is to balance head, hands, and heart. Often, movies play on the fear people have on robots. In this movie, skin-covered metal frame monsters have cyber brains. Their job? Terminate people. In this movie, the robot, Evil Ultron, is smart, strong, and flies fast. In this movie, worker robots revolt against human bosses. The movie Ex Machina highlights on AI robot struggle with self-awareness. Films show us the terrors and triumphs of our possible futures with robots. What is the reality of our robots today? 6. For now. AI bots sort mail, search internets, and simplify directions. Service bots serve customers like answering questions and making coffee. Some AI bots work in our homes. Chef bots cook meals. Cleaner bots clean up after us. To assist human surgeons, AI doc bots can perform precise surgery. AI medical experts diagnose sickness too. G.I. Joe AI bots do dangerous jobs like bomb disposal. Farm bots help human farmers plant seeds, care for plants, and pick the fruits and veggies. Today, AI bots do single domain tasks. What is next? 7. Future. What is the near future for our AI bots and us? Will bots be self-thinking and more general purpose? Will chip transistors link human-like brain connections? Like Dr. Frankenstein ended up with a monster, there are cautions for us as we enable enhanced AI bots. As positives, AI bots can help humans care for our home planet. What if we teach our robot creations our basic human values? What will be the results if we don't? Imagine AI bots as global poverty busters by smoothing income and access inequalities. May our AI bots enable global peace and not world wars with swarms of cyber soldiers. To close, our story of self-acting machines start at church clocks and bells. Next, people make automata to entertain us. Later, controlled machines power factories to make things. People make robots that look and act like us. Films highlight human fears of robots' rise that cause humanity's demise. Today, self-acting machines work with humans. As future machines get smarter and more AI self-aware, how do humans adapt? We learn automata origins to better understand emerging AI robots and the impacts on us.
See the catalog for more Alford books. Printed copies are also available on Amazon. Over 4 million free Alford ebooks and videos have been downloaded. Subscribe now!